Today we are practicing 5 Tibetan rites, and each rite will be 3 repetitions. So let's go. You stand with your feet apart and start twirling to the right side, clockwise. That's to the right. 1, 2. You focus on a point and you keep turning. You can do faster, but as a beginner, you need to come slow with it. Then you stand and rest. Don't be in a hurry to come out of that pose because you know you just twirl. When you're done, the J pose, you hold it with your legs straight. You drop it gently. You take it up again. You head on your legs at the same time, then you drop them gently. It's called the J pose. Let's do the last one. You can rest a little, then you go into the next pose, which you come to the center of your mat. You come kneeling down with your arms, with your hands resting on your hips. Push your head back to open up your vocal cords. You bring it back to your chest, your chin touching your chest. Take it back, and your hands should always be on the same place. You drop it back. We've done our 3 rounds. And let's rest and prepare for the next rite. You come sitting down. You place your hands on the floor by your buttocks, and then you lift your body up with your feet planted firmly on the ground. You sit back. We call this one a tabletop. You raise up your body into a tabletop position. Then you come down with your arms still staying strong, not moving. In that way, you feel the full effect. You lift it up, your tabletop is flat, like they can keep a cup of water on top of you and it won't fall. You rest. We prepare for the next rite. You come. You come up into a down dog position. But this time your legs are apart. You come down, you get up into down dog position. You stretch forward, look up. You exhale. You inhale going up. You exhale coming down. You can practice this. You can build up on it. For each of the rites, you can do as many as you can, but you start gradually from 3 to 6 to 9 till you build up to 21 poses. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this rite with us. See you next time. Don't forget to breathe in and breathe out.